Hello Creative Gems, welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make two high-end looking decorative pedestal bowls using all dollar store materials. I will list out the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of the materials if you are unable to find the materials at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. We will need a plastic garden dish, which I've seen both at Dollar Tree and Dollarama. We will also need a large silver plastic salad bowl, which I found at the Dollar Tree. To build the pedestal, we will also need a silver candle votive, which I found at Dollarama, and a couple of glass candle votives. The ones I found came in a package of 3 or 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. For embellishments, we will need some silver ribbon and silver necklace beading. You can use whatever embellishments you already have in your craft supplies. We will also need some white glitter, and if you want to paint the garden dish to give it some color, you can opt for some gray or silver metallic paint available at the Dollar Tree. And as per most of my DIY projects, we will also need some Mod Podge, a hot glue gun, and some permanent glue such as E6000 or Fix All. Now to start on the first decorative bowl. We will start by building out the pedestal. Take one of the glass candle votives and glue it to the silver candle votive using some Fix-All glue. Once the glue cures, it will provide a permanent hold. Then, using some hot glue, decorate the rim of the glass candle votive with some silver ribbon embellishments. The one I'm using was purchased in bulk from eBay, but you can find some equally nice silver ribbon or crystal diamond wrap at the Dollar Tree as well. Then take the large silver salad bowl and use some hot glue to adhere the same silver ribbon to the rim of the bowl. The last step for this bowl is to adhere the candle votives to the large silver bowl. Here I'm using some Fix-All for permanent hold. And with that done, our first decorative pedestal bowl is completed. You may want to set the bowl aside for several hours to ensure that the Fix-All glue cures completely. I think this bowl looks so high-end, yet it only costs $3 to make. For this second pedestal bowl, we will start by decorating the outside of the garden dish with some white glitter. Here I'm mixing some of the white glitter into the Mod Podge. Once applied to the bowl, the Mod Podge will dry clear and there will be some texture to the outside of the bowl. Once the Mod Podge dries, we can proceed to paint the outside of the bowl. Here I have mixed a custom shade of paint by combining some gold and silver metallic paint. We will need to apply about 3 or 4 coats of the paint to ensure an opaque finish. Once the paint dries, we can go back and use some hot glue to decorate both the outer and inner rim of the bowl with the same silver ribbon that we used for the first bowl. I then use some Fix-All to affix a glass candle votive to the bottom of the decorated bowl. In addition, I also used some hot glue to affix a string of silver beads on the top rim of the bowl. And for the final touches, I used some hot glue to line the bottom rim of the glass candle motif with the same silver ribbon used to line the inner and outer rim of the bowl. And there you have it, our second decorative pedestal bowl is done. This one also cost only a couple of dollars to make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.